Which one matters more? Great family or great career?
Yo, for today's video, panoorin nyo to. Marami kayong kapupulutang aral dito. Panoorin nyo to kung mag-agree kayo o mag-disagree. As a Pilipino, what's this?
Going into a male-dominant field is we don't get a lot of maternity leave, and I wonder what your mindset on that one is.
Which one matters more? Great family or great career?
Family.
You should want to meet your future husband that will be able to make enough money that you can quit. You have a career, if something doesn't work out, you'll be able to support yourself. But deep down, women in America, they have kids, and they weep to themselves when they have to go and put their 9-month-old in daycare. I want to live in a country where if a woman does not want to go to work having to have a kid, she does not have to go to work and she could stay at home and raise those kids. We should all seek to build that country. It's good for men, it's good for women, it's good for kids, good for family, good for community. It's not knocking people that use daycare at all. If you have to use daycare, God bless you, I know it's tough, but honestly, too many people have to. In 1980s, a father working was able to support an entire family. Now things are so expensive, homes are out of reach, inflation has crushed us, both the man and the woman have to go into the workforce. That is bad. It is bad for everybody. It creates strangers raising our kids. And also it creates women that have to go into the workforce that are unhappy in their job because they'd rather have their 6-month-old baby in their arms. And honestly, it's much more important for you to raise your 6-month-old baby than crunching numbers on a spreadsheet for some company that doesn't even know your name.
So mga kaibigan, narinig yung sinabi ni Charlie. Mas agree siya na mas gustuhin niyang siya lang yung magtatrabaho bilang haligi ng tahanan. Tapos yung asawa niya, nasa bahay lang para mag-alaga sa mga bata. Mas gusto niya yung ganong bansa. Sa ating mga Pilipino, yun yung unang kultura natin na dapat ang lalaki talagang magtataguyod sa pamilya para yung mga anak natin ay magabayan ng mga ilaw ng tahanan. Yun ang nanay. Para sa akin, agree ako dun sa sinabi ni Charlie. Sa iba siguro hindi, pero sa atin na yun, pero mas magmamatter sa akin yung ganun. Para magabayan yung mga anak natin ng maigi. At although mahirap kasi syempre ang iba iniisip nila dapat magtulungan yung lalaki at babae, pero napakahalaga ang papel ng nanay sa bahay. Yun lang. Sa inyo na kung anong mas agree kayo o hindi, pero para sa akin yun ang dapat.